Alright, so here's the issue. Left side of this thing keeps getting wet. You can even see there's wet feed right here, like it's mushy. And we usually keep this full, holds about 50 pounds. And it has a tube that goes down and runs inside the chicken coop, so that they can eat from the inside. So my problem is that the water is coming in over here, and you can see there's debris. There's debris here. It's feed coming out the sides. Now I had this caulked at one point, both inside and out, and water still got in. So we're gonna try something different today. We're gonna try to fix this with Flex Seal. So the major problem is bugs get in here. It gets damp about an inch at the bottom, mainly on the left side. Bugs get in here, like flies lay maggots, and then like you'll be scooping it in the feed at the bottom, it'll get all hard and dark and moldy, and there'll be maggots in it. So it's pretty disgusting. So we're gonna drill a couple weep holes, and we're going to put some Flex Seal in here to try to fix this right in there. I'm gonna get some water and a rag. We're gonna clean this up. It's definitely the issue though. You can see light under there, so that's the problem. All the water is getting in and then rolling in right here. So I'm gonna put a couple weep holes on the outside here, hopefully fix that issue, and then we're going to try to fill this in with Flex Seal. I hear wonders about it. I used the tape before on a bucket and it worked great. 2 years ago, and it's still holding up. So let me show you what this should look like on this chicken tractor. There's something like this. There's a little bit of gap there, but water doesn't get in. This one's not used as a feeder, but you see how I got silicone in there too? This one never really got wet. This is where my meat birds are. We just feed them directly. Alright, so this is it. Flex Seal as seen on TV. Stuff really works. Directions pretty ridiculous. So they want it to be completely dry and free of any dirt or grease, which, you know, we'll do the best we can. And then, you know, to spray one coat at a time and wait up to, you know, 48 hours between coats, which is kind of ridiculous. So we're gonna try to just do it all at once, but I might end up coming back out here a couple times and doing it. So its deepest spot is right here, so we're gonna drill one right there. A couple more next to it. Alright, I think we're dry enough, at least for the outside. It's much easier to dry the outside, there's much more airflow. I'm going to tape this off because I want it to look somewhat decent on the outside. All right, let's see how this goes. We'll let that dry, we'll put another coat on once we feel like it feels dry. Inside feels dry enough too. I'm not gonna tape off the inside, but I am gonna cover up that feed. Smells like paint a little bit. Comes off like plastic almost. After looking this over for some time, I don't think this is gonna work out how I wanted it to. I'm gonna have to put some caulking in here and then fill it in with Flex Seal after the caulking. Reason being is that this it's going to take forever, like 20 coats or something ridiculous like that to get this going. So let's just slap some caulking up in here. Alright, that should help out a little bit better. We'll let that stuff dry and we'll go in and throw a couple coats on over top of that. I think that'll be better. Like I said, that gap was too big. It's not a crack, that's more of a gap. So alright, so it's next day. This stuff's pretty hard and this stuff's also pretty hard. I'm gonna go ahead and add another coat. I'm gonna do this every day until it's good to go. Okay, it's been a few days. I think we put about 3 or 4 coats on. I think it's 4, but we're gonna go ahead and put some feed in here. It's pretty dry. We're gonna put some feed in here, then we're gonna dump some water on the side and see if it holds up. So I'll just put enough feed in here to make it, you know, make it matter. So don't get, if it doesn't work, you know, the feed doesn't get all wet. So all right. We're gonna dump some rain water, you know. And then we're gonna see if it seeps through. In the meantime, I'm gonna peel off some of this tape. All right, so it's dry. There's no water that got in at all, which is awesome because I've been fighting this issue for a while. I haven't really been doing much of an, you know, fighting issue, but all right. So you can see our tape line. You know, we should have put more tape on there if we wanted it to look a little bit better, but it's fine. Still got my weep holes here, so that'll help alleviate some of the stress on this caulking / Flex Seal line. But overall, I think it's good, and the chickens are enjoying it.